The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
The apostles gathered together with Jesus and reported all they had done and taught. He said to them, "Come away by yourselves to a deserted place and rest a while." People were coming and going in great numbers, and they had no opportunity even to eat. So they went off in the boat by themselves to a deserted place. People saw them leaving, and many come to know about it. They hasted there on foot from all the towns and arrived at the place before them. When Jesus disembarked and saw the vast crowd, his heart was moved with pity from them, for they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he began to teach them many things. Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Come away by yourself to deserted place and rest a while. When I read this Gospel, I imagine the disciples very happy to see Jesus after they do ministry. They want to share with Jesus ano nangyari sa buhay nila when they preach the gospel. But Jesus knew they are tired. Jesus knew they need to rest. So sabi ni Jesus, go to some place and take a rest. Ganyan di ba sa buhay natin? Monday to Friday or 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock every day. 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock sa house. You meet your friend, you meet your family, you meet your husband or wife, meet your children. You want to share a story with them. And you take rest in your home. Ito sa buhay natin, kailangan tayo pahinga. And Jesus in the gospel telling us also, take rest before you work again. Our life not only always work, and work. Feeling ko, nandito kayo ngayon Sabado, the first Saturday of the month, you also take rest together with Mama Mary in this place. You bring your prayer, you say your prayer and petition together in this place. Rest not mean we just want to enjoy, but rest is gain your energy to start a new thing again after that. Rest not mean you forget thing you have, but rest is make you ready yourself. Mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, sometimes we forget to take rest. Sometimes we forget to pahinga. Kasi isip natin, dapat tapusin yung mga ginagawa natin. Dapat we need to finish our duties. But the body also need to rest. The body need to pahinga. So don't forget in our life, in our daily life, to take time, to take rest, to make your body feel safe also. Last Christmas, last Simbang Gabi, I very relate with this gospel. Simbang Gabi sa mga pare, the schedule's very busy. Hindi lang isa, dalawang misa, minsan 3 to 4 mass every day. And one time, in the 4th day of the Simbang Gabi, I call my batchmate in Manila. Kapatid, parang pagod na ako. Parang hindi ko alam, parang yung misa ko, parang I want to finish it na lang. And my batchmate telling me, Elson, go to the chapel and have the Holy Hour. Ano yan? Hindi kailangan ko. I know to rest. Pagod na ako, misa na misa. No, Elson. Go to the chapel and take time with the Lord. Make time with the Lord. Una, ayaw ko. Parang gusto ko tulog na lang. But after that, because my batchmate encouraged me to go to the chapel and have the Holy Hour, I enter. I enter the chapel and I start my prayer. I start my litany. Lord, pagod na ako. Lord, hindi ko kaya, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And in one time, I keep silent. And I let the Lord talk to me. Bigla umiyak ako. Bigla, bakit ganyan, Lord? Kala ko maging pare, I ready to have this thing. Bigla umiyak ako. Hindi ko kalain, 1 hour tapos na. And I go out from the room, I feel something relax and something release in my heart. And ganyan kapatid minsan sa buhay natin. When you rest, hindi kailangan gumawa many things. You just go to the church, sit, be silent, be still with the Lord, make time with the Lord, and the Lord will touch your heart. And you feel the true rest with the Lord. And after my holy hour, bigla na sabi ni isang pare dito, bakit yung homily mo iba? Sabi ko, hindi ako to. I rest with the Lord. I have time with the Lord. And I can feel my strength again. So mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, as we continue our Mass, as we continue our journey in our life, when you take rest, hindi kailangan pupunta sa Baguio, hindi kailangan pupunta sa Tagaytay, hindi kailangan pupunta sa La Union. You just enter the church. Take time, make time with the Lord, and talk with the Lord.